Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to wrap tags in Google Sheet mobile application. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start quickly. So you can see this is my Google Sheet app. Okay, so let me write something here. Okay, okay, and just I need to just click OK. Okay, it's the sample text I have already write. Okay, so now how you can wrap it? So here you can see the option called format. Just click on it, and then this format option will be open up. Now we need here you can see this option where you can wrap your text. There's lots of features here. So first feature is this, which is normal, and third is it will be wrapped like this, and third is it will be wrapped in a single line. Okay, and here you can see we have lots of options, like we can change the format of this text, like till down, till off, stack vertically. Okay, so if you want to remove it, just click here again and just click on none. So it will be wrapped like this, and you can use this wrap also. So it's look like this. It will be show the all text in one cell. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.